Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David. Today, we're going to take a journey to some of the most unique and fascinating ecosystems on the planet, islands. From the tropical paradises of the Pacific to the rocky outcrops of the Atlantic, islands are home to a staggering array of plant and animal species that can be found nowhere else on Earth. But despite their importance, many of these island species are facing unprecedented threats. Habitat destruction, climate change, and human activity are all taking a devastating toll on the delicate balance of island ecosystems, and among the most vulnerable of these species are reptiles. Yes, you heard that right, reptiles. From snakes and lizards to turtles and crocodiles, these often misunderstood creatures play a vital role in maintaining the health of island ecosystems. According to a recent study, nearly 30% of reptile species found only on islands are currently threatened with extinction. That's compared to just 12% of mainland reptile species. And yet, despite this alarming trend, island-restricted reptiles remain vastly overlooked by researchers. In fact, the study found that these species were the focus of just 6.7% of published research from 1960 to 2021. So why is it that island reptiles are being neglected in this way? Well, it seems that researchers tend to focus on more charismatic species, like birds and mammals, or on species that have particularly interesting or unusual traits. For example, venomous reptiles like the Okinawa habu, a species of pit viper found only in the Ryukyu Islands of Japan, tend to get more attention because of their potential impact on human health. But this lack of research has serious conservation implications. Without a better understanding of these species and their habitats, we risk losing them forever. And that would be a tragedy, not just for the islands themselves, but for the entire natural world. Imagine visiting Komodo Island and not seeing its famous dragons. It just wouldn't be the same. So, let's take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures and the important role they play in maintaining the balance of island ecosystems. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the natural world, let's take a stroll along the Sugar Trail in Guys Mills, Pennsylvania. This 1.2-mile scenic trail is nestled within the Erie National Wildlife Refuge, a haven for diverse wildlife and protected habitats. The refuge is home to emerging marshes, upland grasses, wetlands, and creeks, which attract a wide range of waterfowl and other species. As we meander through the thick forest of hardwoods, hemlocks, and meadows, the sounds of nature surround us. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the soft babbling of streams create a symphony of sounds that immerses us in the natural world. The trail takes us over bridges, carrying us above streams and a beaver pond, offering glimpses into the secret lives of the creatures that call this place home. The Erie National Wildlife Refuge is a special place, designated as an important bird area by the National Audubon Society. With over 230 known bird species inhabiting the area, it's a paradise for birders and nature enthusiasts alike. The lakeside views are ideal for wildlife spotting and photography, and visitors can expect to catch sightings of ospreys, wood ducks, kestrels, bald eagles, and many more. As we walk along the trail, let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of conservation efforts, like those in place at the Erie National Wildlife Refuge. The refuge is not only a haven for wildlife, but also a protected area for endangered species like the northern riffleshell and clubshell mussels. It's a reminder that our actions can have a lasting impact on the natural world and that preserving these habitats is crucial for the health of our planet. Whether you're a seasoned birder, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the outdoors, the Sugar Trail has something to offer. So why not grab your binoculars, lace up your hiking boots, and experience the wonders of this incredible trail for yourself. For those interested in learning more about the bird species that inhabit the area, a Let's Go Birding booklet is available at the refuge office or online. As we near the end of our journey along the Sugar Trail, let's take one last look around us. The beauty of nature is all-encompassing, and it's up to us to preserve it for future generations. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude today's journey, I'd like to take you on a fascinating exploration of the often overlooked heroes of pollination, hoverflies. These drone-like insects are frequently mistaken for wasps or bees, but they play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our ecosystem. With their unique ability to mimic the appearance and flight patterns of wasps, hoverflies have evolved to avoid predators, allowing them to thrive in a wide range of environments. Researchers have discovered that hoverflies are capable of learning and remembering specific scents, which can be used to train them to pollinate particular crops. This innovative approach has the potential to revolutionize the way we cultivate food, especially in light of declining bee populations. By harnessing the power of hoverflies, farmers may be able to increase crop yields while reducing their reliance on commercial bee colonies. But hoverflies are facing numerous challenges, including habitat destruction and the loss of wildflowers that provide them with essential nutrients. To combat this decline, conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore hoverfly habitats. By planting wildflowers in our gardens and preserving natural areas, we can all contribute to the preservation of these vital pollinators. In fact, a startup in Spain has taken the bold step of establishing the world's first industrial-scale hoverfly breeding facility. This innovative project aims to mass-produce hoverflies for release on crops, providing a sustainable alternative to traditional pollination methods. While there are still challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of commercial hoverfly breeding are undeniable. As we wrap up today's nature walk, I encourage you to take a closer look at these remarkable insects and consider the ways in which you can support their conservation. By working together, we can ensure the long-term health of our ecosystem and preserve the delicate balance of nature. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.